Okay, so you're looking right now how you can play only Hardpoint in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So first make sure to click on multiplayer, then go all the way down to find a match. On find a match, different options appear. We want to focus on the quick play on find a match, and if you hover over this button on the right, the filter option appear. Click on it and now just deselect all unwanted game modes, in this case Hardpoint. I'm right now in hardcore. You can just switch to the core, to the normal game mode, and select Hardpoint and then click on find a match, and now you are searching only for Hardpoint. The same is possible for hardcore. Click on Hardpoint and click on find a match again, and now you are searching only for Hardpoint Hardcore. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.